If you're trying to get onto the bandwagon of using electric two-wheelers, there are a few things that you will consider before making your purchase decision. That's the range, charging stations and the features available on the electric scooter. However, there is one more aspect that you should really consider before owning one. That's the contact patch between you, your scooter and the tarmac. Yes, I am talking about the tires. Hello and welcome to Tyre Park. This is Bharadwaj and I'm going to introduce you today to India's first made for electric two-wheeler tires. That's the TVS Eurogrip ETorq. Let's get started. Before I tell you why you should choose the TVS Eurogrip ETorq to be your next set of tires on your electric vehicle, let me tell you why you need to choose that. Generally, when you buy electric vehicles in India currently, it comes with tires that are made for IC engine vehicles. Now what that is actually helping with more grip. However, electric vehicles has a different characteristics. You need to have a low rolling resistance to have enhanced range, and the tire should also handle the instant torque that is given out by the electric two-wheeler, which is not the case for IC engine vehicles. Now because of that, what TVS Eurogrip did is they went ahead and collaborated with their Milan Design Center and their Madurai Development Center and made a tire that is specifically used for electric vehicles, which is the Eurogrip ETorq. Torque, and while giving superior grip at wet and dry conditions, and finally giving you that extended mileage that is required for electric vehicles. So let's start with the rolling resistance. What is a rolling resistance in a tire? So basically, if your tire is rolling over the tarmac or the road or any contact patch, it will resist, and that also translates to amount of grip that the tire will provide to that particular vehicle. Now if you have too much grip on electric vehicles, it will hamper the range that is provided by the electric vehicle as well. In that sense, the TVS Eurogrip ETorq has better rolling resistance. That means it's lesser, so that it will enhance the range, and it is specifically made for EVs to have that low rolling resistance trait in it. So in that sense, your tires, when you fit it on your electric vehicle, it will give you that much more life as compared to the regular IC engine vehicle tire. Now the next aspect is, with low rolling resistance, you would think that the grip will be compromised or not. In that sense, TVS Eurogrip has again used their development technology for years, what they're known for, and managed to find a combination of tread pattern and rubber so that it will provide superior grip in wet and dry conditions, yet giving you that low rolling resistance trait and giving you that tire life. Now coming on to the tire itself, if you see this particular Ather scooter that you see here, it has been fitted with the TVS Eurogrip ETorq, and let me pull out a tire from here as well to show you what unique quirk that TVS Eurogrip has given. So here you can see a circuit board type pattern. This will immediately tell you that this tire is made for electric vehicles. Now it certainly is good to look at and is very unique. You won't find this kind of tread pattern on any of the tires. So kudos to TVS Eurogrip for giving this nice little quirk. But also it has got proper channels on the sidewall to displace water, enhancing the wet grip of this tire as well. Let me tell you a little bit about the experience of me riding this tire on the scooter. So I've ridden this scooter after fitting the tire for around 150 kilometers, and I could notice a sort of difference immediately. I was feeling very comfortable rather than the older set of tire this scooter was running in, and I also found this tire to be more grippier, and it handled that instant torque better, and I got off the line very much secure rather than the older set of tires that scooter was running in. Now I will have to extensively test this and give you some of the figures, but for sure I think that this is the tire that you should really go for if you are picking up an electric two-wheeler. Now coming on to the sizes of the Tyre. Now what you see right here fitted on the scooter is a 90 by 90 section, 12-inch wheels, and it has got a tire with the same section and the size. There are other sizes as well. For example, you have 100 by 90, you have sizes for 10-inch wheels as well. The complete list of sizes that is available for this tire, it will be displayed on the screen while I'm talking to you guys, so you can have a look and choose what is the particular size that you would require for your particular e-scooters or e-bikes. So you can definitely go ahead and make this purchase. Now if you had noticed that sizes, you could also spot that there are a couple of variants available on this particular tire as well. So what you see right here, this is the ETorq. This is the standard variant. Now ETorq caters to capacities like low speed and medium speed and even high speed scooters such as the Ather as well. But you have another performance variant of this ETorq that's called the ETorq X Pro. Now that is used for medium segment, medium cc if you can call it, or even the high performance electric scooters or bikes that is available, and you have different sizes for that as well. With value for money, what you would get is a tire that has low rolling resistance and can handle instant torque, yet provide you superior wet and dry grip. With that, there's one more trait. If you want to buy a tire that is made for electric vehicles, specifically in India, TVS Eurogrip ETorq is your only choice. So visit your nearest TVS Eurogrip showroom, get your electric vehicles, talk to the representative there and figure out what is the best size that would suit your electric vehicle. On that note, this is Bharadwaj and that is the TVS Eurogrip ETorq. Signing off. See you in the next video.